Good morning, everybody. It's Bob. I was sitting out here this morning drinking my coffee and reflecting on the fact that it's been 2 years since I left the Philippines after my first visit and then went home and sold everything. And I remember when I was getting ready to go, I think I left, um, I think it was January 18th of 2024. I was here for about 2.5 months at that point, and it was it was definitely a turning point. Um, because once I got home, and yeah, the story of how I got home. So I get home. Let me play this. Let me say this. I get home. I have no jacket. I have shorts on. I have Skechers, like the slides where you just put your foot in. Not really slides, but I forget what kind of slip-ons or whatever. I had socks, but they were packed away. And I get back to the Buffalo International Airport in New York just after a lake effect snowstorm, and I think it was like 10 degrees. And I wasn't thinking. Ended up having to wait. I think it was like 20 minutes, 25 minutes for a hotel shuttle to come pick me up, and I'm freezing my ass off. Holy crap! I was so glad to get into that hotel room. And I learned an important lesson that day is bring a jacket with me next time to the Philippines so when I come back and it's cold in Buffalo, I'm prepared. Never thought about that. That was stupid. Anyways, so I get back to Buffalo. I still have my home and everything at this point. I get back home and it took me about, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks to decide that I wanted to sell my house. Just sell everything. I was like, I'm done with this weather. Um, I lived in it all my life. I just want someplace warm. So I end up selling everything. And it didn't take me too long though. Um, I had about, I had to sell my pew pews, which I had, I think like six, six pew pews. And most of those I sold online. Uh, and I kept my car though. I kept my car for another year. I called my realtor that gay sold me the house. I went ahead and he was like, "You're selling the house?" I'm like, "Yeah." And when he told me how much he thinks the house could sell for, I was quite surprised. A lot more than what I thought. And I left. I came back here April 13th of 2024, and it has been fantastic. It has ups and downs. I mean, it's life. Life is like that. You're gonna have your good days and your bad days. Does it absolutely suck here, like some people say? I haven't seen it. People have different experiences here. I've had my run-ins. I've had I've had bad days, but the good days outnumber the bad days here. And I do not regret that decision selling the property. Even if I end up not staying here for the rest of my life, which I'm already planning on it, but even if I don't, I'm still happy that I sold everything. Even if I end up somewhere else, I'm still happy with what I did. Living the quote unquote American dream in today's world, today's America is very very hard. And selling everything, retiring, and moving was the best decision I ever made. I am not regretting that at all. I plan on staying here, uh, but we'll see what the future holds. Who knows? Um, yeah, it's just amazing. 2 years. It flew by so fast. It's amazing. It just very fast. But the first time I was here, the 2 months that I was here, 2.5 months that I was here, went by so slow. It felt like I was here for almost a year, but it was only 2.5 months. Um, the last couple times I've been here from April 2024 till March of 2025, that flew by, and then this time again it flew by. It just seems like I was, back home just a couple months ago, but I wasn't. It's almost been a year. It's the Philippines has been good to me, and I can't. I'm very happy with being here. I know there's going to be haters in the comments trying to say, "Oh, the Philippines sucks. This was the." Well, that's your experience. It doesn't matter. Don't care. My experience completely different. That's all that matters to me. I don't care if you're happy or not. That ain't my problem. Uh, Happiness is solely on you. It's nobody else's problem. If you're not happy with something, that's you. I've adjusted, I think, quite well here, and I I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I would do it all over again. So, on that note, I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I will see you in the next video.